spend most of your time with it. It's the first thing you see in the morning and the last thing you see before going to sleep. It still manages to entertain you even though you've been together for years. It's your dear phone! Watch this video to learn new life hacks for your favorite device. Look what an epic game I've got! It's Alice! Yes, there are adventurous tasks I should complete to achieve a new match level. You can meet all the iconic fantasy characters in this brand new match game. And the design of the game is absolutely spectacular. What a lovely little sheep I've got! The app is available in App Store or Google Play. Download the Gameplay Alice using the link below and linking your account to Facebook. Do it now and get an extra bonus. Within the first month, you'll get 10 balloons, which will boost your game progress greatly. Do your earphones annoy you playing Twister in your pocket? Don't worry, a little whale is going to fix everything. Trace your phone on blue felt. We'll need 2 identical pieces. Make an allowance of about ½ inch. Cut it out, turn the felt over, and hot glue the 2 pieces across the edge. Leave one side unglued. This is where we'll turn the phone case right side out. Cut out the whale shape from pink felt. We've made a paper template beforehand. Hot glue the whale body to the phone case. Leave the tail loose. Attach a piece of Velcro to the tail flukes. Hot glue the other piece of Velcro to the case. Add a little yellow fountain to the back of the whale. Draw a closed eye with lashes using a thin black marker. The cute, soft phone case is ready. Put in your phone and wind the earphones around the tail. My friend gives me the whale. It can tame my earphones with its tail. They won't get tangled anymore. The whale will keep them in order. I'm happy as a clam. As a whale. It's no easy thing to take a good selfie. Firstly, you should control your facial expression. And secondly, you should hold your phone tight so that it won't slip out of your hands. Gosh, it's banged up. My friend hurries up with her gun. Does she want to kill it so it won't suffer anymore? No, she proposes making a selfie case. Wrap the phone with foil. Print out a round picture and trace it on the back panel. Mark off the camera. Cover the foil with a thick layer of fatty cream. Hot glue the picture in the middle. Use a hot glue gun to make a pattern around the picture. Outline petals and curls to form lace. Make sure all the details are glued on shaping a net. Make a hot glue frame for the picture to keep it in place. Carefully hot glue the edges and corners to prevent the phone from falling out of the case. When cool, take off the case. Color it using nail polishes. Put it on your phone. This awesome case will show everyone whose phone it is. It's great fun to take selfies with it. Now your phone will never slip out of your hands. It isn't easy to hold a phone while watching an interesting video. Hands go numb, fingers hurt, the screen starts shaking. My friend's got a special life hack to avoid such discomfort. It's a fidget spinner phone stand. We'll need 2 fidget spinners and 3 pencils. Put the pencils into the spinner holes. Loosely join 2 pencils with a rubber band. Put them into the second spinner. Fix the pencil so that the spinners are at an angle, like this. So the tied pencils are at the bottom. Place the phone on them. The rubber band will prevent the phone from slipping off. The phone is kept safe and secure on this stand, and it's quite easy to make. Your hands are free. You can sit back and enjoy watching videos. If you like watching videos on your phone, do it right. I've made it classic. It's a vintage stand shaped like an old-fashioned TV set. Trace a phone case on thick cardboard twice. Measure out a ½ inch allowance on each side and draw lines. Round the corners and cut out. Leave one piece unchanged. It'll be the base. Cut out the inside of the other piece. Trace the parts of the frame on the cardboard. Cut out a few strips. Hot glue them to the base on top of one another. Attach the frame on top. To make it stand upright, attach a cardboard leg. Cut out a triangle and a trapezoid-shaped strip. Make a vertical cut at the middle of the triangle base. Put in the strip and hot glue the top to the back of the TV.